Hello, I'm Paul Yoon, CEO of Tao One Tour. In September 2025, what stories light up the night in Seoul? On September 7th, at Tuksum Hangang Park, the K-pop Demon Hunters' special drone show lit up the sky. Hundreds of drones painted the K-pop universe across the night horizon. At Dongdaemun Design Plaza, the city's futuristic media facade became a massive canvas. Lights and visuals transformed Seoul's skyline into living media art. Along Cheonggyecheon Stream, an open-air library invited people to read beneath the stars, blending literature and night scenery in the heart of the city. And at Gyeongbokgung Palace, the night opening revealed the palace bathed in soft lights, where history and tranquility meet under the autumn sky. From dazzling shows to serene traditions, Seoul's nights are full of stories. Experience them safely and comfortably with K Noble Tour. Thank you.